Hi students, hope that all of you are keeping well. Be safe at home. Today let's go to a new lesson. Standard 5 English Unit 11. The King and the Tree Goddesses. Part 1. Activity 1. Identify the trees and write their names. So you can see the pictures of some trees here. So write their names below. It's a picture of people tree, and this one is bamboo, and below you see coconut palm, and this is neem tree. Now activity 2. Read the following paragraph. Kalp Vriksha and Jatiya Vriksha scriptures mention that worshipping of trees has been an ancient Indian practice. कल्प वृक्षा और जतीय वृक्षा की जो किताबें कहते हैं कि पेड़ों को आराधना करना वो पुराने समयों से लेके भारत की एक प्रैक्टिस है. The Hindus, Buddhists and Jains consider the Ashoka trees as the most legendary and sacred tree of India. Myth says that Lord Buddha was born under this tree in Lumbini. Bel tree is considered to be sacred too because of its alliance with Lord Shiva, who is pleased by bel leaf offering. The bamboo tree is also a sacred plant for its association with Lord Krishna, Venugopal, since his bansuri is actually made of bamboo. Banana is known as a sacred plant since its fruits are offered to the Lord Vishnu. Tulsi plant is always associated with purity, revered by the Hindus and is most loved by Lord Vishnu. The coconut tree is known as Kalpavriksha in Sanskrit and enjoys special importance in most Hindu rituals. The fruit is believed to be represent Lord Shiva, and the 3 black marks on the coconut shell depicts his eyes. From the above paragraph, complete the information in the columns. Religious tree or plant, religious significances, its multi-purpose uses. Ashoka tree. Myth says that Lord Buddha was born under this tree. Its purpose used to manage female disorders, managing worm infestation. Bel tree. Its alliance with Lord Shiva, who is pleased by bel leaf offering. Medicinal uses for constipation, diarrhea and diabetes. Bamboo tree. Associated with Lord Krishna, Venugopal, since his bansuri is actually made of bamboo. Used for roofing, furniture, food, fabrics, paper, garden, planting, etc. Banana plant. Its fruits are offered to Lord Vishnu. Fruits are eaten, leaves for plates, fibers for garments, craft materials, etc. Tulsi plant. associated with purity, revered by Hindus, and is most loved by Lord Vishnu. Medicinal uses for respiratory diseases, kidney stones, strengthen stomach, etc. Now, activity 3. The king and the three tree goddess. This story, Koki's grandmother told her the children on wet monsoon evening when it was impossible to play outside. Grandmother loves trees, and this was one of her favorite tree stories. There was once a king living in the Himalayan foothills who longed to build himself a palace more beautiful than any he had seen in that part of the world. He could not make it richer, taller, or stronger than any other without going to a great deal of expense and trouble. So, he decided to build something different. The entire palace was to be supported by one column only, and that column was to be made from the tallest tree in the kingdom. In the Himalayas, there were many tall trees, spruce and pine, oak and deodar, and the tallest and the strongest were the deodars, whose very name deodar means tree of God. The king sent for his prime minister and said, "Send my men to the forest far and near and tell them to bring without delay the longest, largest deodar they can find." "But the deodar is a sacred tree," protested his daughter. "It is used only for building temples." "All the more reasons for me to have one," said the king. "My palace shall be as magnificent as any temple." The prime minister sent out 30 men, but they soon returned, saying that though there were many great deodars in the kingdom, they could never carry them over. When the king heard this, he called his son and said, "Take a horseman, and with the help of your horses bring me one of these trees." The prince rode out with his horsemen, but returned after a few days, saying, "No horses could move such a tree even an inch. We have tried oxen too, but without any success." "Well, then try elephants," said the king. Elephants were brought from the plains, but the hills were too steep for them and paths too narrow. They had to return to the valley. "Very well," said the king angrily. "In one of my own parks you must find me a tree just as big as any in the forest. Bring it to me within 7 days." So now you can go for the new words here. Keywords: foothills, base of the mountains, delay, take a long time, protested, to oppose, steep, high and straight, column, a strong straight pillar, sacred, holy, drag, to pull. Let's go to the question and answers of this part 1. Answer the following questions. What did the king wish for? The king wished to build a palace more beautiful than any he had seen in that part of the world. Question number 2. Write the names of trees that are mentioned in the story. Spruce and pine, oak and deodar are the trees that are mentioned in the story. Do you find any difference between tall and tallest? Tall and tallest are the words used to describe the height. Tall simply tell us why the height, while tallest tell us that among all the comparison, the highest height. Now look at these pictures. Here it is written tall, taller and tallest. These words are used to describe the height of something. In the story, you will find the sentences like this. He could not make it richer, taller or stronger than any other without going to a great deal of expenses and trouble. Look at the picture. You will clearly understand when to use this type of words. These words are called describing words, or the showing. It shows that the degrees of comparison. Read the story once again. Find out other sentences from the story in which such words are used. More beautiful than any he had seen. Make it richer, taller, stronger than any other. Tallest tree in the kingdom. There were many tall trees. Tallest and strongest were deodars. The largest deodar they can find. Thank you for enjoying this class. Let's meet in the next class. Till then, take care and bye.